Welcome kids and welcome back to Kiddo Colors and our fun drawing and painting time. Today we are going to learn how to draw a beautiful letter E. Are you ready? Let's start. First draw a vertical line and then draw 3 horizontal bar, top, middle and bottom. This is our capital E. Now draw small e. Draw loop with open right. This is our small e. 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 E is for egg. Now draw oval shape for the egg. Egg. E is for egg. Now write the word egg. E G G. Egg. E is for egg. Now it's time to color. Color the egg green. E. The sound of E is egg. Color the egg yellow. In the word egg, color pink. Egg. E is for egg. Wow! Amazing work, kids! Your drawing looks so beautiful and colorful. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Kiddo Colors for more fun drawing and painting videos. See you in the next time.